Alright, so I got this package in the mail. It says headlight restoration kit. So let me go ahead and show you what my So this is what my headlights look like. So they look clear like in the camera, but they're really not in real life. Like they're faded. Like you can see, oh, you can really see it, but you can see the clear coat kind of peeling. It's the other side. Some sandpaper. This one's the 2000 one. I'm pretty sure that says 1000, and this one does a 400. Procedures, instructions, that's very nice. And we got the UV block. We also got the service activator, some gloves, towel, and clarifying compound. Alright, so let me get you ahead. So wow, it actually looks a lot clearer. But this is what the product came out with. You can kind of see the marks I did, but that's the best I could do with a $20 one. It kind of looks clear on film, but it doesn't really look as clear as what I would like in real life. Compared to this side, you can kind of see it's kind of dirty and all the bubbles. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to do the other side now and then see what happens. I want to let you guys know, so this is the other side. The previous owner did put like a clear coat or a little tint on this, so you could kind of see like, actually here, let me get you some light. Actually, my bad. But you can kind of see the clear coat is peeling right there on that line. So obviously this is only $20, so you know it's not going to be the best idea, but the best option right now. But I'm just trying it out because it's only 20 bucks. But if it doesn't look good, I'm gonna try going with that little tool and the buffing compound, and then maybe it will look out better. But I'm just gonna put on the clarifying compound right now, or whatever that shit is. Yeah. See this ligma? You're about to witness my ligma.
Dang, that's bad.
Don't touch it, fool. I just cleaned it, fool. I didn't even get to put it on my thing.
Like that.
I know. I put it on the camera ready to let them know. So this is the part where it's going to be just music. I'm just doing time lapses.
I was already recording.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Dang.
Then you can really see how yellow it is. Holy crap, why did that turn out so much better than this side?
What'd you do?
I have no idea.
Did you do it faster?
I don't know.
I think you did it faster.
I think it's because I prepped this one better than the other side. But dude, this side turned out way better.
Wait for it to dry.
Dude, what the heck? I got that on film, right? That was only one layer.
Yeah.
The other side I did like 3 layers and it didn't do crap. But dude, what the heck?
Yeah. Dang. And it's drying right now.
Yeah, so alright guys, so this is actually the final product. I redid this headlight real quick. Oh man, you can see it in the camera, but you can see the scrapes. Yeah, like you see it right there on top.
Oh.
Yeah, so you can kind of see it. So, but it's whatever. It was like, I don't know how it looked in the beginning in the first part video, but we'll see how it goes. Like this one was actually the best one. Like no, look in the camera, dude. It looks really good on camera. But I guarantee you guys, in real life, it does not look good, alright? So, I feel like it's good for like, you know, light oxidized headlights, but I think mine is kind of different since I have like a coat or like a light coat or a tint or maybe a clear coat. So, I'm not sure what it is. Probably clear coat, but I'm just happy where it's at because actually in camera it looks hella good. So, this car is just, you know, budget build, you know, so that's where I'm at. So maybe more plans coming in the future for seats and seat brackets, and then maybe some more interior work because I gotta start working on this exterior. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching and good luck if you use this restoration kit. Peace.